Welcome back out to the shop. It is Saturday and it's been a whole week since I have done anything in the shop. Last week was the week of random. This week was the week of nothing. Well, maybe nothing. I did order a new seal for steering box because I just couldn't leave it alone. So I took one of the other ones apart, figured out what it takes to get the seal out, and now I know, and I know this is the right seal. So I am at some point going to take that one out and put a new seal in it, in the front of it, put it back together and use that box. So that's probably the next thing I'm going to do, but that's not on today's agenda. Today's agenda is it's a nice day outside, got the door open, and we are going to strip the donor. So the plan today is get as much off of this guy as we can, put it into the bins, just strip this guy down, and we're going to take any metal, anything like that's going into the scrap pile. So this scrap pile right here is well, that's steel, so that's where any steel that can get off of that, we're going to cut it up, put it in there. Anything we want to save, we're going to save and keep it just in case the Betsy Ross needs it. But that's the plan for today. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. John from Dirt Road Therapy might stop over and help. We'll see. But at any rate, that's what this video is going to be. It's called Stripping the Donor, and we're going to get to it. Well, that's about all the daylight we have for today. We made some pretty good progress. I did finally get this hatch open. Got a decent sized pile of junk over there, and we are definitely making progress. It looks like John Dirt Road Therapy got caught up with some family things and isn't going to make it today. But I have a little bit more time and energy, a little tiny bit, so I'm gonna keep going and see how much of this I can get cut up. I was hoping to get it in pieces and on the trailer today, and all the stuff that I wanted off of it, and then I was just gonna drag that and get it covered. But I think I might have to get it to the point where I got everything I want off of it, and then get that stuff covered, and then I've got to have some help getting the thing cut into pieces and on a trailer. Or I could actually just drag it onto a trailer whole. I do have the title for it, and so I could just take it over there whole. But the point of the dump trailer was for me to just be able to toss it into pieces and then come back and then just take it over there and dump it and not have to worry about dragging it on a flatbed. Anyway, all that stuff that you guys don't really care about. But this marks the end of the donor. All the parts that we want are going to be off of it, so we can get that out of my front yard and kind of start, well, the front of my shop, start making this place look a little bit better. But Biggest part of that is all the pieces that we might want off of it are now in a pile. So as we're putting the interior back in Betsy Ross, we can look at the different pieces and parts that we have, find the best, and it doesn't matter where it came from, we can put it back together. But I think that's going to be it for tonight. I'm probably not going to record anything else unless I find something really interesting in there, because it's dark and you can't see anything. So thanks so much for stopping out. I hope you enjoyed this little time lapse of craziness that goes on here, and we'll see you guys next time.